Today I'm flying business class with Singapore Airlines. Samahan niyo ako as I walk you through the experience from check-in to the lounge hanggang sa flight mismo. Tara! At dahil business class, may priority check-in kaya hindi ka napipila ng matagal. After check-in, diretso tayo sa Silver Chris Lounge. Ang ganda ng space, tahimik, relaxing, at ang daming choices ng pagkain. May local Singaporean food, may international din, lahat masarap at sobrang bait na mga staff. And now, the most exciting part. It's boarding time! Pagpasok pa lang sa plane, ang warm na ng welcome ng mga crew. Look at this business class seat. It's spacious, comfortable, and fully reclines into a flatbed. Perfecto for a long-haul flights. The amenities are great, fresh ang beddings, may spacious tray table, may noise-canceling headphones, and premium amenity kits to make sure you're completely pampered. When it comes to dining, Singapore Airlines does not disappoint. The highlight of the meal for me was their famous lobster thermidor, which was absolutely divine, rich, flavorful, and cooked to perfection. Honestly, it's one of the best lobster dishes I've had on a plane. At eto pa, may pa-birthday surprise pa sila, may cake at binigyan pa nila ako ng card. Ang sweet naman, yung mga ganitong gestures sobrang nakakatuwa. Gusto nyo rin bang ma-experience to? Pwede kayong mag-book through Klook at gamitin ang code ko for more discount. If you have a planned trip in the future, you can use Klook to book on your hotel, tour, Wi-Fi, SIM card, eSIM, and airport transfer. Use my Klook code to get awesome discounts. Feel free to use the code every time you book something on Klook anywhere in the world.